Freelance journalists Snehankar Chakraborty, along with Santanu Moram and Rambabu Thakur, began a cycling journey from Guwahati to Sora on August 22nd. The expedition aims to raise awareness about journalist security and climate change. Chakraborty highlighted the need for social security measures for journalists and urged action against environmental crisis during a press interaction at the Shillong Press Club.
We started our cycling from Guwahati to Cherrapunji on 22nd of August. Our motto is to create awareness on social security of journalists. Actually, what happened in 2020, the recorded number of killed journalists all over the world is more than 3,000. It is the official number, and out of those 3,000, 99% journalists have not got their proper, justified, any sort of justice. Doing cycling expeditions, I got some friends and we collaborated, having another motto, that is climate silence.